kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter O. Are you ready? Let's go! O for owl. O, owl. O for ox. O, ox. O for octopus. O, octopus. O for otter. O, otter. Let's repeat it again. O for owl. O for ox. O for octopus. O for otter. O for orange. O, orange. O for olive. O, olive. O for omelet. O, omelet. O for onion. O, onion. Let's repeat it again. O for orange. O for olive. O for omelet. O for onion. O for officer. O, officer. O for operator. O, operator. O for oven. O, oven. O for oil. O, oil. Let's repeat it again. O for officer. O for operator. O for oven. O for oil. O for ocean. O, ocean. O for oasis. O, oasis. O for oak. O, oak. O for oval. O, oval. Let's repeat it again. O for ocean. O for oasis. O for oak. O for oval. O for orange sauce. O, orange sauce. O for office. O, office. O for orchid. O, orchid. O for orbit. O, orbit. Let's repeat it again. O for orange sauce. O for office. O for orchid. O for orbit. You've learned the letter O today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, O for owl. What fruit is juicy and round? Yummy. O for orange. What animal has 8 legs? That's right. O for octopus. Where do we cook food? Yes, O for oven. What shape looks like a circle? Yes, O for oval. Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter P.